Alright, so this question part B, a point P move along a curve in such a way that the y coordinate of P is decreasing at a rate of 0.1 units per second. Find the rate of change of this x coordinate of P when x equal to 1. Okay, so for this type of question, it's testing us on our connected rate of change. What is connected rate of change? Connected rate of change means that we need to know our chain rule. So for example, dy dt equal to dy dx multiplied by dx dt. So you just imagine that this is a fraction. So dx and dx can be cancelled. So that's why your left hand side and right hand side is the same. Okay, so now let's determine all the keywords. Okay, they say that the y coordinate of P is decreasing at a rate of 0.1 units per second. Okay, this is telling us the rate of change of y. So dy dt is equal to 0.1, but don't forget, because it's decreasing, right, means that you need to put a minus sign. Okay, next thing, before that, let me just cancel away my thing. Okay, next will be, I need to find what is my dx dt, because they say the rate of change of x. So this is, I don't know. Okay, so first thing first, whenever we are doing our rate of change, we need to know what we know, and we need to know what we need to find. For example, for this type of question, I already know this already. Okay, I need to find dx dt. Of course, the dy dx actually we have, or it's from the previous question. So I need to, so basically, we have these two, and I just need to find what is this. Okay, alright. So, okay, so from the previous question, our dy dx is this. Okay, so I have dy dx equal to 1 over x, then 3x plus 6 bracket minus 3 ln x over 3x plus 6 bracket square. So these are dy dx. Then after that, I got dy dt. So dy dt equal to negative 0.1. Okay, so of course, I got this. I got this also. I need to sub, because dy dx is in terms of x. So I need to sub my x equal to something, so that I get some value. So they say that the x is equal to 1. Okay, so next I just need to sub my x equal to 1 into this equation. So you just have 1 over x, then you put 1 here, then here you just put 3 plus 6 bracket. Then minus 3 ln 1, right? Divide by 3 plus 6 bracket square. Okay, so of course if you press ln 1, you'll get 0. So this whole thing is just equal to 0. So of course the whole thing just becomes 0. So now what is left is the first part, right? So 1 divided by 6 plus 3, 9. 9 times 1, 9. So it's 1 over 9. So your dy dx here is 1 over 9. Okay, so of course you can put it here. So maybe I just cancel. Okay, so this one you put 1 over 9. Then the dy dt you put negative 0.1. So based on the chain rule that you see right here, can we find dx dt? Definitely yes. So you just need to do a bit of manipulation. So in order to find dx dt, you just move your 1 over 9 to the left hand side. So negative 0.1 divided by 1 over 9, right? So negative 0.1 divided by 1 over 9. So you should get around negative 0.9. So your dx dt right here equal to negative 0.9, or 9 over 10 units per second. Okay, so what does all this thing means? Very simple. For example, I talk about your dy dt first. So dy dt is negative 0.1 units per second. Means that my y is decreasing at 0.1 per 1 second, or in 1 second. Okay, then for dx dt, negative 0.9 units per second means in 1 second I decrease by 0.9 units. So that's the meaning of your rate of change. Rate of change is always with respect to time. Okay, yeah. Or another way you can think of it is, okay, dy dt I lose $0.1 in 1 second. For dx dt I lose $0.9 in 1 second, something like that. Alright, so that's how you do your rate of change.